Hello everybody, and welcome to the Market Watch Review. In today's release, we'll cover the following topics. The OPEC meeting being postponed to December the 3rd, the VIX index decline to pre-crisis levels, and Jerome Powell and Steve Mnuchin speaking to United States Congress. The OPEC Plus countries postponed the meeting to December 3rd, which is scheduled for December 1st. This is stated in a letter sent to the delegates of the participating countries. The meeting will be held in a video conference format. According to the source, this time before it will be used for informal consultations. Earlier, it became known that the negotiations of the participants of the OPEC Plus deal to limit oil production have not yet led to a result. Saudi Arabia wants to maintain the current limits of 7.7 million barrels per day for 3 or 4 months. The United Arab Emirates has been pushing for a gradual increase in production since January. A similar position is supported by Norway and Kazakhstan. The fear indicator, VIX, is naturally moving into the area of historical average values in the region of 20 points. As we can see, optimism returns to investors due to good data on production and international trade, as well as progress in the development of a vaccine. The decline in the fear index led to a wave of optimism. So, yesterday, the dollar continued to seriously weaken, broke through its support line and went into freefall, although not sheer. Similar movements occur in other currency pairs. The United States dollar, Canadian dollar, Great British pound, and the United States dollar. The Israeli shekel, the Chinese yuan, and the Indian rupee, as well as other currencies, including those of developing countries, have also strengthened very strongly. At the beginning of December, the reduced volatility index gave rise to a global risk-on, which is expressed primarily in the weakening of the United States dollar. Money is taken out of the dollar as from a safe haven, and sent to a variety of markets, including commodity markets, which also show significant growth. Both gold, up 2%, and silver, up 6%, quotes flew up. During his speech at the last hearing in the US Congress, Jerome Powell suggested that due to COVID-19 in the United States and abroad, the next few months will remain problematic for the economy, despite the progress in vaccine development. According to Powell, emergency programs introduced by the Federal Reserve in the spring of this year to support credit markets in the face of a pandemic opened up business, city, and state authorities access to resources worth almost $2 trillion. He believes it is important to keep these programs, not cancel them. So, on November 30th, the Fed extended the duration of 4 loan programs until the end of March 2021 to help stabilize the short-term financing market at the peak of the pandemic. Mnuchin agreed with Jerome in favor of extending the 4 programs. Mnuchin also attended a Senate Banking Committee hearing on Tuesday. The text of Mnuchin's statement prepared for the next hearing says that $455 billion not used by the Federal Reserve can be redirected by Congress to a new package of measures to support the economy. That's all from me. Closely monitor the news and background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.